All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and we're on day 2 talking about related word parts for our story this week, Unit 5, Week 5, and it is our story this week is Moonwalk. So let's go ahead and jump right in and look at our next set of related word parts. And here we have the word image. And using our resources that we have at our fingertips, our new word meaning, or well, it's not our new one, but our word meaning for the word image is a visual representation of something. How many of us create an image in our mind of a story or passage that we're reading? All right. Good for comprehension skills. Show your understanding. Shows that you are getting an image of what you're reading. Very good skill. So let's go ahead and take a look over here at imagine. Okay. Knowing that this word image is part of the word imagine. So the highlighted word part has been defined. So our next step is to determine whether or not we have any other decodable parts that are left over. And so we have to take a look, and we understand that we have ine, or ein is left over, and it's a suffix. And again, when we use our resources that are provided, that are given to us, then we know that this suffix has a meaning of pertaining to or the nature of. So I want you to kind of go ahead and take that information, read over this slide, lock it up here, because remember, we always say that knowledge is power. You really want to blow somebody away, use that knowledge. Show them how smart you are. Okay? We have the best 4th grade group out there at MES. All right? So once we take those two word parts, we click them together. All right? Now we have a whole new meaning. So image transferred or changed to imagine now has a new word meaning of to form a mental image or concept of, which means when you imagine, you're reading a book, you're reading a mystery, you're imagining all the events that are taking place in that story. Right? Very good. So let's take a look at 2 more. Here we are with product, and then over here in this column, we're going to be comparing and looking at production. So the first thing we need to do is understand our related word part. Product has a meaning of an article or substance that is manufactured or refined or made for resale. Okay? Just like a lot of products that you have out there. Your video games, your cell phones, your cell phone cases, chargers, any of that. They're products. So we go over here to our second column, and we know that products is in the word production. So we've highlighted it. Now we have to know, or we have to be able to identify that the underlined word part shows the related word part. But there's also another block that we have to find out how it fits. How's it going to connect? So we can decode other parts of our word. And it just so happens that the suffix ion is used to turn verbs into nouns. So now, what's this new word meaning going to be? So now it's going to be your turn. I did some work so far this week. You helped me. We did some together. Now it's going to be a you do it. So your job for today to wrap up day 2 is for you to use your available resources. You find out what the new word meaning by locking those 2 word parts together. You find out what the new word meaning is for the word production, and I want you to post your answer in the comment box for your teacher to see how much knowledge you have gained. You guys have a great great day. I've enjoyed day 2, and I can't wait to see you for day 3. Bye bye for now.